clear of the closing doors, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the MTA would like to remind you that a crowded car is a perfect place for a meet cute. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Transfer here to the F. Transfer with me.
F? To where?
Coney Island.
I'm sorry, I think we might be moving in two different directions.
Sorry, better luck next time, son.
We'll always have the A.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you see someone cute on the train car or platform, don't keep it to yourself. Please be aware of any romantic behavior. If you see someone, say something.
You know, I could take this to J Street.